Some days I sit in front of the paper and I don't know what to paint. My mind wants something beautiful, something worth sharing, but my hands, they just want to move. So I open a random page in one of my favorite books and I paint whatever appears. No plan, no pressure, just 15 minutes to let myself be here. The brush feels heavy at first because I still carry that little voice that says, "You should know what you are doing by now." Or, "Don't waste the paper if it's not going to look good." But every time I let go, every mistake, every messy stroke, every water drop that spreads too far reminds me that art isn't about control. It's about trust. Trust in the process, the mess, the moment. Sometimes the paint blooms in ways I didn't expect, and that's where the magic lives. The beauty that perfection would have never allowed. These 15 minutes aren't about painting something perfect. They are about remembering that creativity doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for presence. And if you've been feeling stuck, overthinking, or scared to start again, maybe this is your reminder. It's okay to show up imperfectly. The art of making mistakes is also the art of coming home to yourself. What will happen if you allowed yourself to paint without expectations today? Without thinking that much, I just start painting the way it feels natural to me. Did you see the little speck on my brush? This is part of the normal routine when painting, when practicing, when sketching. All these things happened for you to be ready the next time, for you to get familiar with what kind of mistakes, what things you have to be aware when painting. So next time, probably you're painting something more professional and you know what to do. Normally, I don't have a plan on how to paint something. I don't think about it before. I just grab the colors, grab my brushes, and start painting. When you allow yourself to paint the way it comes natural, that's the way your style starts to emerge. When you don't push yourself to get out of your comfort zone all the time. Of course, to learn something, you have to get out of that comfort zone if you want to learn something else, something different, something new. But don't push yourself to do something that you don't enjoy. This time, I wanted to paint something normal and normal speed. We are so saturated with high-speed videos, and we think, oh, probably watercolor has to be like that, or it has to be perfect. everything looks so beautiful because we tend to share the good parts. Well, I want to share all the parts. I have bad parts, good parts, beautiful parts, amazing parts, horrible mistakes, accidents, things that I didn't plan. It's nice to see that even me, you see probably nice things online, nice things on social media, but this is me on a regular day. After a busy day, we had a kind of sad day today, but I'm still giving myself permission to relax, to enjoy this moment, to be present. Time is almost up. Sometimes when I feel like wanna keep painting, I try to do the same exact flower or whatever I was painting, but in a different style. This time, I wanna try making it loose. Ooh, oh, this doesn't look that nice. Let's fix it. Nothing another coat of color can't fix, right? Remind yourself, this is part of the learning process. Let's add a little bit of green. Uh-oh. Nope. This doesn't look nice neither. Let's wipe it a little bit. Clean your brush and wipe it. Wipe it away. Okay, now first attempt of a leaf. Too pale. This one looks better. Yay! Okay, the stem disappeared. Let's see. Maybe with a little paint here, a little darker there. Yay! And here I go again with the details. I can't help it. Thank you so much for being part of my today's practice, my 15 minutes practice. I hope you painted with me, but if you didn't, I hope at least you got inspired. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep playing.